I guess what I really need to do is look and see that red glow and know that I got enough done. Okay, so you got an idea what I'll be doing for a while. But I'll splice this in, you'll see what I'm working on. Thanks. All right, on to the next phase of washing this off because it's got all that black tar on it. Set that down there. Look at that. That's what we want to wash off. So you see what I'm going to have to do now is just kind of get this all cleaned up and then let it dry. And then I'll be ready to show you the next process I'm up to. Well, it's messy, I'll tell you that. Look at that. How you doing? My name is Tom with Kaizen Enterprise. I'm here now with the bench that I'm going to try to salvage, put a new bottom in them. I was first going to just put a piece of plywood down as a dot, but then I thought, hey, you know what, this is a great challenge to go ahead and replace those and put these in. So I got to take these out and then start fitting the new slats. I'm just trying to feel which ones I can play with to get out. All right, this is going to have to cut. So I need this. I'm going to cut. Okay, now to clean it up. All right, next step is I've got to drill further in these slots so I can push it in and then send it back into the holes over here. So I've had to go through and clean these out right at that. So you take those in, so slide it in, push it back that way. That's the goal. So let's see what happens. I mean, it's not blistering bad at all, but I'm going to change to a metal blade that for sure won't blister because these teeth will usually blister, but this wood's doing pretty good with it. But I'm going to change the blade. I changed it to a metal blade, so let's see how much blistering it does. Look at that. That's what I'm going to use. Okay, so now I got to cut these to the shape of what the curve is. All right, I'm going to scribe this one to the shape of this one here, like that. So I've got to cut this one first and then see how far I can go and then trace the one up here on this side. So it's going to be everyone's got to be fit. So This may take a bit. So now I can hit that one, send it into there. Well, I'm short, so I'm gonna have to make some more parts. Eating up more than what I thought. That can happen. Some old stuff falling apart, but let's see what we can do. All right, till next time. How you doing? My name is Tom, and welcome back. And let's check the progress on my neighbor's little bench here. I went ahead and replaced the bottom slats. And I did like that burning technique and put a finish on it, but now I'm sitting here looking at this and going, what else can I do? So I think I'm going to burn it. Burn it and put a finish on it. So let's see if I'll be replacing this or if it'll come out fine. All right, let's see what happens. Now we're going to get into the real mess of this thing. You can see my hands, the way they look, but now I got to wash this all off and we'll see how much mess this makes. And then it's got to dry. So luckily the weather's still hot here in Texas, so maybe the next 2 days after I wash this, it'll be ready to put a finish on it. Okay, well, here we go. We got it off to its natural habitat. It's gonna look a lot better. Like I said, this was just all play thing of replacing some slats, using a torch and burning it down, and putting a water-based sealer on it, a couple layers on it. But turns out pretty cool. Thanks for watching.